let me introduce myself. My name is Talita Wityarifa Alatia from ACAD 3D. Here I will present a proposal concerning an analysis of calculation of production costs using the order cost method at Ratu Cassava Creeks. Abstract. This study was conducted with the aim of determining the calculation of the company production cost using the full costing method. In micro, small, and medium enterprise or MSMEs of cassava capes, the type of research conducted by the research is field research, where field research is a study conducted at the research location with a qualitative descriptive nature. The research data collection technique used interview and documentation method. The interview technique in this study used quite free interview. The result of the study show that the cost of production consists of three elements, namely raw material cost, direct labor cost, and factory overhead costs. Factory overhead costs consist of fixed factory overhead costs and variable factory overhead costs. The result of the calculation of the cost of production carried out by the company used the full costing method. Background. Economic activity is an activity related to business or companies. A business or company activity can help advance the economy of a country. Economic activity is an activity related to business or companies. A business or company activity can help advance the economy of a country. One of the problems often faced by companies or MSMEs is determining the selling price of product. To determine a reasonable selling power, companies must make precise and accurate calculation in producing their product. Calculation of the cost of production plays a very important role in determining the selling price of products, so that the price offered by the company can compete with other similar companies with good product quality. To win the competition with other competitors, the cassava capes must have high quality and category with competitive price. Therefore, a strategy is needed in the efficiency of production cost and the right pricing. The increasingly tight competition in the cassava capes production industry and the fluid price of cassava raw material are considered to be the determinant of the cost of production. Using the right method that needs to get more attention for business hour. Research question 1. How can the cost of goods manufactured for cassava capes in MSMEs be calculated accurately? 2. What are the cost components that should be included in the cost of goods manufactured calculation for cassava capes? 3. How can the cost of goods manufactured calculation help MSMEs determine a competitive selling price? 4. What challenges do cassava capes face in recording and managing production costs? Research objective 1. To develop a method for calculating the cost of goods manufactured that align with the scale and characteristic of cassava capes. 2. Identify and analyze the cost component of production include raw material, direct labor, and overhead costs. 3. To provide insight from the cost of goods manufactured calculation to assist MSMEs in setting competitive and profitable selling price. 4. To offer recommendation for cassava cape MSMEs to improve cost efficiency in their production process. Benefit of research 1. Practical benefit. In practical aspect, this research is expected to provide an understanding of the calculation of production costs, which are used as guidelines by the parties involved in this implementation. In addition, it can be used as reference and input to improve performance and determine company strategies, especially in optimize the influence and role of information. 2. Theoretical benefit. This research can contribute to the development of theory, especially the study of cost accounting regarding the calculation of production cost, which aims to be basing for determining the selling price of goods and services. In addition, it can also be used as a reference for further research. Chapter 2 Literature Review. Definition of MSME are independent productive economic enterprise carried out by individual or business entities that are not subject or based out control or become part either directly or indirectly of medium or large business that meet the criteria of small business are referred to in the quotation. Definition of cost accounting. Cost accounting is a branch of accounting that is needed for the process for tracking, recording, and analysis costs related to all activities of a company to produce goods or service. Cost accounting information is very needed by company management for planning, controlling, evaluating, and decision-making activity both short-term and long-term. Production costs. Raw material costs, according to Hankono, material are tangible objects that have value that are used to make finished goods. Materials are grouped into, namely, direct material and indirect material. 2. Labor costs. Kolmi and Yuningsi. Indirect labor costs are occupations paid to work who work in factories but do not do processing work directly. According to Mulyadi, direct labor is all employees who directly participate in production finished product whose service can be tracked directly to the product whose with a large part of producing the product. 3. Factory overhead costs. Factory overhead costs are costs that are not directly in a production process, and factory overhead costs are generally consumed by more than one department. Production costs that include factory overhead costs are cost of accessories, material, repair and maintenance costs. Costs are rising as a result of the assessment of fixed assets. Cost of goods sold. In a company, whether it's a large company or a small company, it is necessary to determine the cost of goods product, because the cost of goods is one of the factors that influence the determination of the basic selling price of a product. In addition, the price also used to determine the amount of quotient. A cost of goods can be known from the amount of production costs incurred by the company to produce a particular product. In this method are two approaches, namely, one full costing and variable costing. Chapter 3 Research Method. Type of research. The type of research used in this study is quantitative descriptive research type. According to Dian Purnama, based on the activity of the problem researched by the research is classified into quantitative descriptive research. That quantitative research is more required to use number, starting from data collection, interpretation of the data, and the appearance of the result. Data source. The type of data in this study are primary data and secondary data. Primary data is obtained directly from the object being studied, namely the result of interview with the company who have an understanding of calculation the cost of production. This interview was conducted with the company production leaders who are considered to have the most understanding of the problem being studied. While secondary data is data obtained from independent media such as books, journal, and other media that support this research. Collection technique. The technique for making this proposal has 4 techniques in data collection, namely 1. Interview. Interviews are carried out by conducting direct question and answer to the owner, obtain data and information based on research objectives. Tools such as records and interview notes. 2. Observation. The author observes the production process of the Ratu cassava chips and evaluates all costs incurred during the production process. 3. Documentation. Data collection by means of documentation is photography all activity related to the process of making cassava chip at the Ratu cassava chip. 4. Internet searching. Internet searching is done by searching for reference source of reference material to support the completeness of the author reference related to the problem-based study. Thank you for taking the time to watch our proposal video on the analysis of the calculation of the production cost of cassava kip strato.